Pee on fish. GoPro Hero 10, try to stream, set it up so I can go. Was it a no-go? It was a failure. Failure at its best. I'm trying to ride along, find a spot, see what is nice and quiet, and give a little chat. Let's see if we can make this slide, make this S-turn. Here we go. Flying on the turn, watching out for that pothole, and spinning on this turn, going at probably 17 miles per hour. I don't know if I got the front mic on or the back mic on, but I don't got both mics on because I'm not updated on firmware. So squeeze on through. I am going to stop in the shade. Alright, I definitely had the front mic on, and I apologize to you all. Oh, let's get pedaling on. I'm in a higher gear. I'm going to repeat what I did the last time when I was heading out and my tires went low. Now my tires have filled and I'm ready to go. I just went down to a little lower gear and get on riding. I'm going to make a turn at that red stop on the left and right. I'm going to go right and go see the horses out. Maybe the pig and maybe the goat. I had failure. I had to stop. I had to do a hard boot. 12 seconds. Difficult with the medium module on. The rubber felt like it softened up, that I couldn't get the button. I'm back here again. I said I was going down to the 2 stop signs, left and right, and making a right. Go to see the horse, the goat, the pig. The horse is out, being taken care of. Get on out of here. And there he is. Let's get on going. We're gonna go find a spot. I think I was heading down this block before when I realized, hey, I got a flat. Not really. So here we have is an old car. It's been around here for quite some time. So let's get on going. Yeah, the Poochie sees me. Saying hello. Belgian Shepherd. I'm not gonna turn my camera around because then I gotta stop and set the front, change it from the back, and go on. I'm gonna pull it to the side because I can't go far now. If I look behind me, you got it. I got rain coming in. So by the old willow tree, that's what I love. Oh man, Ohio Fred, he knows what I'm talking about. He knows that shot. Oh man, how many years am I going back? And I did that video by the tree. Yeah, there's my park bench. I think I'll pull it over there. Maybe I'll pull it by the tree and go sit on down. Here we go. Make that turn and go right in over here. Yeah, I'm shaded, but there's no seat. Yes, there is. There's some rocks over there. I'm making my comfort spot. Oh yeah, man, I'm live in my comfort zone. And I'm just waiting for the fish to come live. Yo fish. And that's what I'm riding here. That's not yet threatening, but it's almost over here. It's time for me to say, let's get on out of here, man. I gotta get going. Let's get out of here. I feel like I was just playing thumbsies with my GoPro, trying to get the front to the back every time I hit it. Look at this. How much do I got to tighten you just to straighten out? Man. There you go. Oh, wow. Maybe I got to straighten you out too. I love mounts. Maybe one day I'll just drill something in there, solder it down, lock it into place. Just make a whole diameter, just drop it in. And the only thing that could shake is me and not the bike. I'm hitting the remote control to stop. Why? Just press the stop button of the GoPro shutter. Let's kick it into gear. The wind's kicking up. Storm's coming in. Not gonna rain. Never know with the GoPro. Media module's not waterproof, but it can get a couple of drops on it to be safe to say, hey. The gate's closed, I gotta go around. Oh, they're swinging around, getting around, and obstacles in your way. How you like that cloud formation above? Woo! Awesome. Since I added air to my tires, I could be rolling a lot faster. I'm not struggling along after being second gear. I'm in third gear now. I'm pedaling along. I gotta make this light. The wind is kicking me. Woo, baby. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Alright, all, have a great day in this windy situation. I'll catch you all later on another bike adventure. By Cannondale Adventure 2.